Hi, Scott Dolan at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a recent trade-in we just got. It's a 2019 Sea Ray SLX 280. So I personally sold this boat when it was new back in 2019. Has less than 50 hours on it, freshwater use only here on a local lake. The owner did purchase this boat without a trailer, so it is being resold without the trailer. However, we have some trailers in stock. If you need a trailer for it, just let us know. So really nicely appointed boat. White interior, gray snap-in, snap-out seagrass flooring. This does have the 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower Mercruiser in it, so great engine for the boat. Power tower with built-in speakers as well as Fusion tower cans. This does have the upgraded sound system in it, so it does have the subwoofer and the amplifiers. This also has the pull-out isotherm refrigerator underneath the seat here back behind the captain's chair. It is a yacht certified boat. Cover stuff down in here, but that is where it does have a vacuum flush head, so definitely the right system for the boat. Does have windlass, does have the interior LED lighting package. I mean, boat is really well equipped. Also has the push button submersible swim platform on the back. So really nice boat. This is not going to last long because a new 280 SLX is going to run in the $250,000 range. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.